Choose low-calorie vegetables. Opt for vegetables that are low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients. Examples include spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers, celery, carrots, zucchini, and tomatoes. Plan your soup base. Decide whether you want a broth-based soup or a creamy one. Broth-based soups tend to be lower in calories, while creamy soups may require added ingredients like low-fat milk or yogurt. Gather ingredients. Besides vegetables, you'll need ingredients like low-sodium broth or stock, herbs and spices for flavor, and possibly lean proteins like chicken breast or tofu for added satiety. Prepare your vegetables. Wash and chop your chosen vegetables into bite-sized pieces. The smaller you chop them, the quicker they will cook. Saute aromatics. In a large pot, saute aromatics like onions, garlic, and ginger in a small amount of olive oil or cooking spray until they're fragrant and translucent. These ingredients add depth of flavor to your soup without adding many calories. Add vegetables and broth. Once your aromatics are ready, add your chopped vegetables to the pot. Stir them around for a couple of minutes to allow them to start softening. Then, pour in your low-sodium broth or stock, enough to cover the vegetables. Season to taste. Season your soup with herbs and spices like thyme, rosemary, oregano, basil, paprika, cumin, or chili powder. These add flavor without adding calories. Consider protein. If you want to add protein to your soup, consider options like diced chicken breast, cooked beans, lentils, or tofu. These will help keep you feeling full for longer. Simmer until vegetables are tender. Allow your soup to simmer over medium heat until the vegetables are tender but not mushy. This usually takes around 20–30 minutes, depending on the types of vegetables you've used. Adjust consistency. If you prefer a thicker soup, you can use an immersion blender to partially blend some of the vegetables. Or you can remove a portion of the soup and blend it separately before adding it back to the pot. This creates a thicker consistency without adding any extra calories. Serve hot. Once your soup is ready, ladle it into bowls and serve it hot. You can garnish it with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. Portion control. While vegetable soup is low in calories, it's still important to practice portion control, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Enjoy a satisfying portion of soup as part of a balanced meal, and pair it with a side salad or a piece of whole grain bread for added fiber and nutrients. By following these steps, you can create a delicious and satisfying vegetable soup that supports your weight loss goals while providing essential nutrients and fiber. Experiment with different vegetable combinations and seasonings to keep your meals interesting and flavorful.